Jamaica.
Right there, so vacation.
It's so blood clot lie, Blinga. Remember, say RT boss, fuck up.
Yes, you blood clot lie, you mouth sucker hood, you mouth
That's a blood clot drunk. If you have a blood clot shit, that go back up a blood clot. Come out, fuck with blood clot that damn. He thought a nasty blood clot that shit. You nasty blood clot. Look about them people in the middle.
Make sure not have on the crash element and come over here. I can't not dummy with them put na the car for test the car them. The dummy them. The car tested dummy them and run come over here. Make sure not have on the crash element.
Come on, hello.
Can't not dummy with them put na the car for the crash test.
Come over here, dog.
Hold on, man. I am here now. Everybody, listen up. I'm managing the place. Hold on, man. I'm on there.
RDD. We're not talking about if you fuck the pussy RDD. We are talking about when you touch up the body RDD.
Why Batty? Why the
All right,
little boy
so
cry for Batty? The little boy
what I'm saying is
you
this.
scandal back for Batty.
What I'm saying is this. Miss Blinga. One Blinga.
Well,
Dog shit, where you come over here for come here.
Crash test, dummy, when you come over here, I'm going to enemy.
What I have to say is this. Miss Blinga is the only person. Miss Blinga is the only person.
Are you make me over here, for done your RDD?
Miss Blinga, Miss Blinga, one at a time. Miss Blinga.
Yes.
Miss Blinga is the...
We don't even know them different.
Queen Bella. They must say Queen Bella.
All of me tell you which one, Miss Blinga, the one.
We don't know them different, but we know a better than one.
Let me tell you the one who always send the give to be knowing. I one day, Queen Blood Clot Bella.
Oh yes, Queen Bella.
She RT boss you. If you listen to Pretty Dan other day, you know. Pretty Dan other day says she ain't nothing with her, you know, for she swing like a breeze. She come like a light bulb. She don't have her own head of her mind. She just run over here, so she run over there, so she run over there, so.
Wolf, fuck up yourself.
A bad man take RT, the Lego sponge and spice off of your life.
No,
because the end of the cure you and spice, no give you a low spice it off.
Yes, but all I know, we soon go to this, because this has been screen recorded. We want this to be clear. When I say RT say Bella, how you go? RT say Bella.
A Bella make call pan thing the page, she make she lose her page and her Uber job.
So,
that's how much
so RT say that?
Yes, that's what the lady's trying to say to you. After RT and Bella plan it, fi fuck up Momo, RT see one turn when I'm bust it out back say Bella, you know listen.
And look how long me and Momo are war.
You get where the woman are trying to say, that's why she came up and said, listen, RT see one out time plan with Bella. For fuck Momo, come back, come talk, say Bella do the fucking up and go like him not involved in it. When I him send out Bella, fuck up Momo, you know understand?
That's what she was trying to say, Miss Blinga.
But Miss Blinga don't understand what we are saying. You have to read back in it, Miss Blinga.
Yeah.
The story long, you know.
Queen
the story
Bella.
long, you have to read back in the story, Miss Blinga.
I saw Queen Bella wicked for call people blood clot job. And make
What you doing with Ivani?
Not Ivani, with Momo.
Over the ear?
You see, because, let me tell you, Momo did run out pan the allegation of grape with the boy a long time, you know. But never come in no only per receipt. So the first run out, when Momo run out, RT and Bella sit down and orchestrate for fight against Momo in losing her job and trying to take away her page. When that all said and done, RT just go up on the life and just bust it and say, Bella, call Uber, Bella.
Listen to me. Miss Blinga, me tell you the truth. I wear Momo every day, every second, every hour. But I would never call to lose her job.
Is RT orchestrated with Bella?
Yeah,
And then at the same time, nobody never that know it now. But RT same one come back, come talk it. That at the point where I try to show you how it's deadly.
But you know, me not pick up for Bella. You know, RT a liar. You know, say RT
You could have not say Bella not a Bella. You think so?
Me no know
Me
Bella
feel
as
so
a
Bella do
type.
it.
Me no know, but Susie, you know, say me don't know Bella as a type of person. But RT a liar, you know.
But a RT say a Bella.
Mighty God. Where anybody have that screen recording there, guys? Bella
When the man, somebody have this, me not have the screen recording, but me hear it. And me hear the woman come talk about it again. It's true.
Bella needs to take Bella. You notice when I see Bella from the start.
And bite out my blood clot, bite out. Now my own dads. Anytime all in my husband wrong, me I back him. There's a difference with me. You think me don't want him come live? Me never want him come blood clot life. Because the same blood clot RT tear him down and trouble him on much in blood clot time. But guess what? RT is a troublemaker. And I sit down and entertain about it. So now when I see the whole on I say blood clot talk, say RT money them I when pay me for go with blood clot him. And when him tell me say I go buy me the liquor table, I say RT me don't want nothing from you. Him say I go send me go, me say me don't want go to Canada, me stay with my blood clot there, me itch up with my husband and stay flap. As a person, I say me flap, big pussy queen, my pussy supposed to big. What kind of come and cuss me about my pussy big? Shut the fuck up and cuss with blood clot sense. Calm down, Queenie. I want my eyeglass there. Spin. Spin. See RT money them there. RT family. See them there? See them there? See RT money there. See them there. US dollar. I'm send me money them in now. So make me talk to you now. And from the last blood clot money RT send me. And I think no blood clot, and another thing can buy me out. Freedom of speech. That's why them use Corona for lock down the blood clot world because they want to stay upon internet and turn against one another. Cheese. Behave yourself, cheese. Your son in England and trick people, cheese. You understand me? And it's not my life. As somebody me sit and talk to my little friend. By myself, me just have to pray for all of the man them out there. I want to the man, I don't know much people get destroyed by man using titty and deceiving people and make them think. What you gonna say now? True a tranny now, the man never did fist say that. Them fist say a tranny, the blood clot, them fist say a tranny, and me myself no know say a tranny. On a two blood clot corrupt man, on a go. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up and talk about, oh people, what the word? People, what the word? What is something me that watch a while ago? I not even know what the blood clot something me I watch. Flip it on. You know. You know me not have no time for you. You were all a while ago. Or the man with some pussy big. And I'm like, I'm Queenie flap. Me can't flap, me darling, me have life. You understand me? And if the internet now use me, my house I use me. My belly I use me. Say, from me get up, baby, there's a difference with me, darling. From me get up, me not add no blood clots, body. You know, go ahead. Fuck don't know. When move on the back and belly right blood clot. Go ahead. You think I saw me get up and be press button? Me a dads. None of Spice can't press me. RT can't press me. None of blood clot on the can't press me. I press myself. And I think no blood clot like kind of my arm. My last is something I just a listen to. Rude. But that's why I'm come to tell she said, cheers. Get a full stop. You go like you have argument for you know if I when me see her touch me neat and me not pay no mind cheese. Me no want me you go down the road there. Me just want to tell you the truth, baby. You have a full band boy, girl, son. We're around 25, baby. Right in that time, I made him ends up many times. Sexy, pretty. Me know no phone and know him. Come on. And you get up every day back to back, and accuse. But you send out there trick people. Bill. Blood clot. When you have to put them, nobody no know what them are going to turn out to be. Stand by your blood clots and stop tear down people. And what the fuck do you get? You go like you have answer for everything and everybody. No, relax on the blood clot self. I real life this. If RT fuck with the blood clot youth,
God I'm witness and God I'm judge. Not me. I mean now slang your son and cast no stone off a blood clot. As disgusting and awful as him is. And I talk about him love biod people. I kind him kind. No fun have it on that make me dead for blood clot only before and offer me a cup of blood clot water and say have. Somebody do 1 million blood clot bad. Remember the one good. That's all me have to say to you. You know art. Me hear them this evening I done RT over Blinga and I say. I'm sure that you don't know if RT being somebody. Me have no reason. RT is somebody on a move on a blood clot. I left the man and saw the man stay on a go. The one on a hypocrite. On a come skin blood clot me like good. Move on a dirty blood clot. The wall on a sit down. No, say RT a fake Oberman. Him buy out people. Nobody not like him. Loud the blood clot, man. Me say RT done blood clot thing. I'm go over there go help Bling. And by look at sharing him that. Is sharing him story that? Whatever she likes and don't like is sharing blood clot. And move on a conniving hypocrite blood clot. I know the one like, oh, me never like him for true. Bling a true. So what? True Bling me couldn't over there. Move on a blood clot. Teamwork make the dream work. One and watch the blood clot. I don't know where. The man still not taking blood clot over money and go no. I know not gonna talk say my fake over man and this because the whole I know want condemn him because no one say make I tell him me never did it. And that big face blood clot purge face boy well look like him have mad fat pan blood clot him. Look like him used to the wriggle my diggle, wriggle my blood clot that with RT and trim say RT pan live him come talk up. Move your blood clot the lad they a modern time this go. Blood clot, you come on internet with your big saggy blood clot. You know when people have mad fat pan them, go to the police station and stop confuse the blood clot nation. Every day you get a is that healthy? Is that putting anything anywhere? May I ask you no? On a fucking dunce, on a illiterate, on a sick my blood clot stomach. Music Martin Wharton. On a come sniff out and I'm thinking blood clot arm. I want to know. You know, so God lick down blood clot me at Jamaica. I cut out my blood clot belly. So when I come talk about Queenie done, from a week I have life, I can't done. And I can't flap. Cheese baby self. From when I'm here, I say RT go with lion. Listen, Queenie, you know. When RT and me and do it upon the live, I'm a Bling. You remember what RT said? Me Bling, me I get 3 lion. He never call my name because he knows, say, me no licky. You hear that? Bling me I get 3 lion and Bling said, yes, I may I do one because that woman they love share. Yeah, she love share. Me no business Miss Bling and RT. It's her heartstring. All the ear shot talk, RT is her heartstring. Because she know what the fuck she was doing with RT and she take her chance. It's not my place. Biggest Bling is our own big man. We are all big people. See I like how do it? Did go lick head with shit pan. For this time, him have got through film owner. So the man but all one bumpy. All them things I wanna sit down and I say on a decent. I wanna sit down and the things I wanna sit down constantly over. If him guilty wanna do something. RT can buy blood clot. Who RT comes to me as a dads. And him leave me as a blood clot dads. You hear that? That not mean to say because you know if I went how much blood clot trouble RT give me and my husband. But he's still human. And the Bible says, he that cast the fucking first stone, who no sin. Some of the man a batty man, see him blood clotting on the sit down and talk, on the sit down and type. Truth a killing on a blood clot cell. What through the typing, that's why them bringing corona. I repeat it for all of this. So no turn against no one another and church it. Low blood clot me and go here and leave me and my husband. And doing a like blood clot RT and RT no like do from a hole in the blood clot art. But you see the shit pan girl where I get blood clot tranny. Go on in and do it them. Go on another one they do them for no have receipt. Me never see shit pan with a baby father yet. Me say she have 5 pitney. Me never hear a baby father mention. And I'm like, these people know everybody business and them so perfect. And when she sit down and the way she speak, you're not credible. Because you say you're dating my husband as you're dating a married man publicly, you find that so nice. You find it so nice to talk about. Me not understand it. My name a date. You're not credible. Uncle Fierce, they never ever smell the man cheesy blood clot balls yet. Not even smelling a smell him cheesy ball. But you sit down as a woman for this try me. For help my husband were upset with me. And then you're going to tell me, yeah, I mean tell him for go back, tell ya. I mean tell him for go. So you sit down and do that and go do how much in interview. You kiss all my husband for mad me. And then still on a talk say, you have one youth per recording. And him say when him a 15, RT molest him and do it say, you know I lie that blood clot girl there tell cause from the youth attack so much money. Don't all know me can't see nobody. So what wrong? Him not have him opinion. What? 3 man him wife live blood clot but him not have him opinion and him can't talk. Everybody else can have congregation and talk. But do it after talk. So because do it go talk now. And if you give do a blood clot reward, cause if do it never blood clot come talk say shit pan a tell lie. Oh no, who the blood clot say fat face come out to talk to blood clot spice. Talk to me now. Somebody talk to me. Shit pan from November. You have recording. You said it all about. How who the man go live with? Me have no reason, man. You shut the fuck up and sit down with no hungry belly blood clots and the whole of we hungry.